43, 44. Oh, I could have been a circus clown. But no, had to be a police officer. What's that? Impossible. This is Officer Bunker reporting a code. Code? There is no code for this. It's still awesome.
When the law needs help, just watch the steel.
Engine trouble.
Oh no! I need to go back. Oh, here he comes! Now, how does steel land? The comics never show how he lands. That's cheating! Going so fast? And can I do it too? He's in trouble. Let's follow him. I've got this. Woohoo! Booster Blaster! There's no way I'd ever miss the Mega Whirly Leap with this! How did you do that?
That's the fastest you've ever gone!
Do you have a new booster or something? I'm the Booster Master! Let me see!
It's nothing! Just warming up for tonight! Gotta go!
He'll be here soon. Oh, he'll be here soon. Oh, what if he doesn't come? Oh, he said he would. Oh, why isn't he here yet? Oh, Steve.
I'll handle it.
Oh no! I'm too late! He's already been zapped by the mind controller! I've got to get him out of there! I can't get in! What do I do? What do I do? Ricky, we're here to help! Okay, guys, all together, stop and look for a way in! I'll check the roof! Zoom cam, go! There's a window on the roof.
If I can get in through that, I could fix the garage door motor.
Great idea, DJ. Deputy Bike Buddies are going. Single file, everybody.
Zoom cam, stay on DJ. Ready?
Huh? You are built heavy. Leave it alone.
Just a little more.
picture from Zoomcam. It's too dark.
I'll use my zoom visor and sound detector.
Uh-oh. We're in trouble this time, Supersonic Boy.
Vroom boy.
Supersonic Boy is better. Hold on, you two. We'll find a way to get you down.
Whoa!
Oh, now that is a real rescue bike. Ricky, you're going to need to winch him down. Do you think you can do that?
Me? Really?
You're my sidekick.
Ricky to the rescue!
How's this?
That's it, Ricky. Slowly. Maybe I do need a sidekick. Steel Awesome saves everyone. But who saves Steel Awesome? It's genius.
There you are, ready to save another day.
That was amazing. If only we could get this on camera.
You say hello to Zoomcam.
This book is coming apart.
Coming, Ricky. Grab on, sidekick.
Here she goes again.
Can I do something? I can help.
Ricky, can you wait over there with your friends? We've got this under control.
Staying out of the way. Some movie star I am.
Oh, there we go. Oh, thanks, Hank. Thanks, Helen. Even faster than last time. Oh, that'll probably be Blip. That boy's a chip off the old motorbike.
I hope this helped your movie. See you at home, kids.
Okay then, back to my deliveries.
Watch out! There's a pothole!
Mum, Dad.
They're gone! You can do it, Ricky!
Me?
You are a...
Rescue bike. Of course I am. I have to help if I can. Ricky to the rescue! Grappling hook. Go!
Oh!
Hang on. I'll get you out of there.
Don't film me! Film Ricky!
Okay, I'm getting it. Thanks, Toot. Whoa, this is good stuff. He really is pretty awesome.
There we go. Again. Thanks, Ricky.
Hey, Toot. Want to finish the movie with me? You know what to say.
Have you seen Ricky?
I'm almost there.
What was that?
This is fun. Almost there. Way! here sooner or later, right? I guess I took care of that for you.
Well, that's great, Ricky, but we're not ready yet. We still need you and DJ to finish the job.
What is the job?
Oh, I tell you, flatten that huge pile of sand all around the lot with this big, heavy roller here. Woohoo!
It's a big job. It might take you all day.
We have a better idea.
Sorry I didn't help earlier, DJ, but we're doing a Zoomtastic job now.
Smart kids. I wish I'd thought of that.
All right, the lot is ready.
Loop, it's just us. That's it! Come on, guys, we're catching up. Steel Awesome would stay cool and calm, and so can we. Let's stick together this time and sneak up on him. Everybody, be as sneaky as you can.
I'm sorry. My tools rattle when I'm nervous.
My sound detector's picking up noises.
That's not me.
That could be a ghost bite.
No.
It's coming from over there. We've got him this time. Stand back, guys. Steel even more awesome. We'll take care of this.
Show yourself, Ghost.
Hello, Ricky.
Officer Bunker, what are you doing here?
I'm on patrol.
Sorry if we scared you. We thought you were a ghost bike.
Ghost bike? Is that some kind of Wheeloween trick?
No, sir. He's out there stealing candy.
Stealing candy? But that calls for a police officer like me. And I'm a police officer like me. Now, stand back. Officer on patrol. Ghost patrol.
Muffin Crank has to go past here. All we can do is wait. Can we wait and scratch? I have an itch. Someone's coming. Wait until he hits the wax and then crane him like he's never been craned. Whoa! Crane, go! Ha! Gotcha, Muffin Crank.
Help! The ground is way lower than it's supposed to be.
Blip is Muffin Crank.
I'm Muffin Crank. How would I not know that?
It has to be a trick. Muffin Crank, can you hear me?
Huh?
Muffin Crank,
I'm not Muffin Crank. Who is this?
Toot?
You're not Toot, I'm Toot. And you're making me miss the end of the movie.
Your hypnotizing machine won't hypnotize anyone else today, Muffler Crunk.
But I like hypnotizing. It's fun.
It's a movie?
What's a movie? What's happening?
But that means my dad isn't hypnotised by Muffin Crank, so that means he really needs me. Bike buddies, let's zoom out to the bridge. Dad, Mum, I'm here.
Ricky, what took you so long?
We need your help. It's hard to explain, but I'm here now. We rev, we dig, we jump and bang! Look out, Wheelford! We're the Zoomtastic Gang! And now let's get to it!
Rev on!
Scoot Mods, shine! Don't worry, Muffin Crank won't capture your little bikes!
Thanks, Loop. Oh, is Steel Awesome here too?
Even better! We are! Ready to roll, Ricky!
Okay, everybody, follow Loop.
Huh? Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Grappling hook, go! Don't worry, I gotcha!
Whoa! That was amazing!
All right, everybody. And now let's get home before the storm hits.
What an adventure! You're telling me? The Zoomtastic Gang scared off Muffin Crank before he even showed up!
Well, maybe Muffin Crank didn't come this time. But if he does, we'll be ready for him.
You bet! Backwards boosters! Go!
Loop!
Follow that box! It got away! There it is! Let's try to surround it! Whatever this thing is, it's fast! But not as fast as me!
Got it! Did we get it?
I don't see it.
Nobody does! That's what invisible means! No, because it got away!
Scootio's right. There's nothing there. Oh no! It's back in the clubhouse. Come on!
What's going on? No! Stop! You're invisible! Why would you need a photo booth?
Don't worry. We'll get you down.
But how?
That's how. We've just got to pop those balloons, one at a time.
Stop, balloons! I was nice to you, so why are you being so mean to me?
Hang on, Lou. All right, guys, let's zoom out and keep on popping.
coming through. Why is everyone looking up? So many balloons.
Did you see the purple one? There's a purple one!
How did this happen?
We may have given him more than one balloon.
That's not just more than one. That's more than one.
That's what I said!
Don't worry, Deputy Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Yes! And
Mum said I should listen to you, and I didn't.
right! That's what I was gonna say.
And I'm really, really sorry. And whoa, have you seen how high this is?
I probably should have let you have more fun. I just wanted to keep you... Whoa! This is really high!
Yeah, I think I want to do the Zig Zag again. That bump was high enough. Yay, bump!
I don't think there's another way down. What if we do it together? I think I know how to make it safe and fun. Scootio, I need Zoomcam to bring us something. Got it! Ready, Toot?
I am if you are.
Then get set, go! Whoa! Having fun now, Toot?
Way better in the Zig Zag.
Whoa! I don't believe it! Toot went on the ramp up! She's the bravest bike I ever saw!
That was so exciting. It was amazing. You guys have to try it. If you have a big brother to go down with you.
Yeah! I think I'm gonna do the ramp up too! I'm ahead now, but not for long! See, Dasher? I'm winning! Dasher, gotta dash, little dude, cuz I almost forgot I have a race with Ashley Ace. Ashley Ace, the speedster. Whoa, so cool. Let's go. Sorry, Ricky, but in this kind of race, there's no third place. It's just Ashley and me. Oh, I can't come. We'll race later, though. Okay? See you later, guys. I guess I'll just go to Toot's dance club then. Except it seems like they don't need me there. I'll just race myself to Winchell Point. Ricky versus Ricky! And it's Ricky in the lead, followed by Ricky. Ricky's catching up. I bet everyone else wishes they were here. This is so cool! Whoa! Whoa, yeah! Whoa! I'm okay, but how do I get out of here? Uh-oh! Grappling hook, go! Can't make it! I better call for help! We have to save her!
rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Hold on, Mrs. Bikely!
I got you! I think.
Hand blade! Woohoo!
DJ digging in!
Zoomcast, go!
Another victory for Steel Awesome! Until next time.
I think her dream mission is over.
Not quite. She still needs to get home.
Hey, kids, you didn't fall asleep, did you?
No, we're good. Wide awake.
Good. There's no sleeping on a stakeout. Now then, rule 921.
It's like it doesn't want to be caught.
Ricky! That package wasn't yours. It was your father's.
Wait, does that mean that's not a toy? It's a real rescue ramp, and my dad might need it.
That's exactly what that means.
Scootio, DJ, go catch that ball. Luke, come on. Dad?
I thought your dad was supposed to do the rescuing.
I'm sorry, Dad. I have your ramp.
He knows, Ricky. I'm the one who figured it out. I'm smart that way.
Well, I've got the ramp. I guess I'm the one who has to use it to get him down.
Oh, without training, you'll just bounce all over the place.
Boy, did we find that out the hard way?
I know, but I think I've got an idea.
I can't watch. I can't not watch. I'll do both.
Ricky, are you sure about this?
Give him a chance, Hank. Are you ready, Ricky?
Ready, Mum.
It's not high enough.
Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Push it higher!
Oh no! Slow-mo!
That's it, Ricky.
Hey! Yes! You can come down now, Dad!
Hank Zoom, ready to rescue.
Ah!
Let's get you and Sergeant Teddy down, Buster.